Okay, hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the properties of carboxylic acids. So already preparation methods of carboxylic acid completed in previous class. So different types of preparation methods. So first method is from alcohols or oxidation of alcohols, and second one is oxidation of aldehydes, and third one is from Grignard reagents, and fourth one is from alkyl cyanides, and fifth one is from methyl alcohol or methanol, and sixth one is from esters, and seventh one is from toluene, oxidation of toluene, and eighth one is from acid halides like acetyl chloride, and ninth one is acid amides or amides like estamides, CH3 C double bond O NH2. So these preparation methods are completed in previous class. Okay. And next heading, properties of carboxylic acids. Properties of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Actually, topic name carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. So preparation methods of carboxylic acids completed. And next heading, properties of carboxylic acid. Properties of carboxylic acid like acetic acid, formic acid, benzoic acid, etc. So first property, very simple, that is reaction with sodium metal. Sodium metal. So sodium formula Na. So react with sodium metal. Sodium metal. So first of all, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond O OH, one of the carboxylic acid. So that is acetic acid. Acetic acid. So these are chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Example, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond O OH, but 2 moles of acetic acid plus 2 moles of sodium metal. 2 moles of sodium metal, sodium formula Na. Sodium formula Na. So very simple answer, 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O O. So actually acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond O bond H to break the bond between oxygen and hydrogen atom. Oxygen and hydrogen atom. So 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O. CH3 C double bond O. 2 moles of sodium. So simple answer, 2 moles of CH3 bond C double bond O Na. And byproduct is very simple, 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms, that means hydrogen gas H2. So sodium Na, sodium, and next CH3 C double bond O. So compound name is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate formula CH3 C double bond O Na. Sodium acetate. Compound name is sodium acetate. Formula CH3 C double bond O Na. Sodium acetate. And next one, reaction with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So first of all, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond O bond H. Acetic acid plus sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So very simple H ion. So to break the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, O bond H. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH. So byproduct is water. And remaining answer, CH3 C double bond O Na. So CH3 C double bond O Na. Compound name is same, sodium acetate. Compound name is sodium acetate. Next, third one, reaction with sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. First one sodium metal, next sodium hydroxide, next sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. So acetic acid, but 2 moles of acetic acid. 2 moles of acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. 2 moles of acetic acid. And 2 moles of acetic acid react with sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. So very simple answer, 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O. 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O. Next to 2 sodium atoms. So direct answer, so 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O Na. Compound name is same, sodium acetate. And byproduct is 2 hydrogen atoms H2 and 1 oxygen atom H2O, water molecule, and second one is carbon dioxide, formula CO2, carbon dioxide. And main compound is same, sodium acetate. acetate, sodium acetate, and formula CH3 C double bond over Na. Okay. So first property sodium metal, 2 moles of acetic acid CH3 C double bond over OH, and 2 moles of sodium metal. Very simple, 2 moles of CH3 C double bond over 2 moles of sodium acetate. Byproduct is hydrogen gas. Second one, sodium hydroxide CH3 C double bond over OH plus sodium hydroxide, H plus and OH minus, and removal of water. Same remaining answer is sodium acetate. Next, third one, sodium carbonate. Same 2 moles of acetic acid Na2CO3. So 2 moles of sodium acetate, and byproducts are water and carbon dioxide. So in first reaction, byproduct is only hydrogen gas. In second reaction, only water. But in third reaction, byproducts are water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide. Okay. So first property sodium metal, second one sodium hydroxide, and third one sodium carbonate. And next one, fourth one. Fourth property of carboxylic acid. Fourth one, chemical property. React with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride formula PCl3. So first of all, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. So compound name is acetic acid. Acetic acid or compound acetic acid or carboxylic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. Plus PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride, PCl3. So very simple answer, but 3 moles of acetic acid. 3 moles of acetic acid. Simple answer. 3 moles of Cl3 C double bond O. Next 3 chlorine atoms. 3 chlorine atoms. So simple answer. 3 moles of CH3 C double bond O, 3 chlorine atoms. So CH3 C double bond O, 3 chlorine atoms. So compound name is acetyl. Compound name is acetyl chloride. Compound name is acetyl chloride. Formula CH3 C double bond O Cl. So compound name is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Compound name is acetyl chloride. Formula CH3 C double bond O Cl. And byproduct is very simple. Very simple. 3 hydrogen atoms H3. Next 1 mole of phosphorus P. Next 3 oxygen atoms O3. So byproduct is H3PO3. H3PO3, that means phosphorus acid. H3PO3 means orthophosphorus acid or phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid H3PO3. H3PO3. So main product is acetyl chloride, but 3 moles of acetyl chloride, and byproduct is phosphorus acid H3PO3. Next, same reaction with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride, formula PCl5. First of all, 3 moles of acetic. So acetic acid, generally acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. So in PCl3, 3 moles of acetic acid, but in PCl5 only 1 mole of acetic acid. 1 mole of acetic acid. So acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH plus PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride, formula PCl5. So very simple answer, CH3 C double bond O. Only 1 mole of CH3 C double bond O and addition of 1 chlorine atom. 1 chlorine atom. So CH3 C double bond O Cl. Main compound is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. And the byproducts are very simple. So 1 mole of hydrogen and the remaining 4 chlorine atoms. So addition of 1 chlorine atom. So HCl. HCl. And remaining answer is 1 mole of phosphorus. 1 mole of phosphorus. Next 1 oxygen atom O and remaining 3 chlorine atoms Cl3, POCl3, POCl3, and next one is POCl3 and compound name is phosphoryl chloride. Phosphoryl chloride or phosphooxy trichloride. Phosphooxy trichloride, and main compound is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride, formula CH3C double bond O Cl. CH3C double bond O Cl. But byproducts are hydrochloric acid and phosphorus. Phosphooxy trichloride or phosphoryl chloride. Phosphoryl chloride, formula POCl3. And next one important, react with thionyl chloride, formula SOCl2. Thionyl chloride, formula SOCl2. SOCl2. Thio means sulfur compound. So thionyl chloride, formula SOCl2. So first of all, our compound acetic acid formula CH3C double bond O, OH plus thionyl chloride formula SOCl2. Thionyl chloride formula SOCl2. So very simple answer. So first of all, CH3C double bond O, CH3C double bond O, and 2 chlorine atoms. So addition of 1 chlorine atom. So CH3C double bond O Cl. CH3C double bond O Cl, and byproducts very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen and addition of second chlorine atom HCl, and remaining oxide SO plus 1 oxygen atom SO2, sulfur dioxide. Okay. So first one PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2. So first main product is acetyl chloride, second one also acetyl chloride, and third one also acetyl chloride. But in first reaction byproduct is phosphorus acid H3PO3, second one phosphoryl chloride POCl3, and third reaction byproducts are hydrochloric acid and sulfur dioxide. And main product is acetyl chloride formula CH3C double bond O Cl. Okay. So PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, and thionyl chloride formula SOCl2. Okay. Next. So heading properties of carboxylic acids and different types of properties. Sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, PCl3, PCl5, and SOCl2, thionyl chloride. Okay. Next one, seventh one, important property in previous IP question also. That is esterification. That means formation of esters. First of all, very simple. Our compound acetic acid formula CH3C double bond O, OH, one of the carboxylic acid. That is acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid. Plus alcohol, any alcohol, for example, ethyl alcohol, formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond H, and compound name is ethyl alcohol. One of the alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. So first one is acetic acid, and second one is ethyl alcohol. So in the projects of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So very simple answer. 1 mole of H plus ion, next 1 mole of OH minus ion. H plus ion and OH minus ion. H plus and OH minus ion. So byproduct is water. So remaining answer CH3C double bond O, CH2, CH3. So H plus ion, OH minus ion. Byproduct is water. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, O. Next CH3C double bond O. So CH3C double bond O, CH2, CH3. So remaining answer CH3C double bond O, CH3C double bond O, CH2, CH3, O, CH2, CH3. And compound name is bond CH2, CH3 means di. And CH3C double bond O means estate. So compound name is ethyl estate. So it is one of the ester. So heading esterification. Esterification means formation of ester. For example, carboxylic acid or acetic acid CH3C double bond OH plus any alcohol, for example, ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. Okay, in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So addition of concentrated sulfuric acid. So simple, H plus ion next to OH minus ion. So removal of water, H2O. So remaining answer CH3C double bond O, CH3C double bond O. Next O, CH2, CH3, O, CH2, CH3. And compound name is bond CH2, CH3, ethyl and estate, and this is ester group. So formation of ester. So this is esterification, very important, and previous IP question also. Okay. And next one, eighth one. Eighth one, most important neighborhood reaction is HPlP. HVZ reaction. HVZ reaction. That means H means hell. V, oh Lord. Hell, oh Lord. Next, Zelensky. So L, oh Lord, Zelensky reaction. H-E-L-L, hell, oh Lord, V-O-L-H-A-R-D, oh Lord, and Zelensky reaction. So hell, oh Lord, Zelensky reaction. Hell, oh Lord, Zelensky reaction, or HVZ reaction. And HVZ reagent is chlorine by red phosphorus. HVZ reagent is chlorine by red phosphorus. Very important. HVZ reagent is chlorine by red phosphorus. So first of all, title one of the name reaction, HVZ reaction, Hell-Vollard Zelensky reaction. Hell-Vollard Zelensky reaction. And HVZ reagent is chlorine by red phosphorus. Chlorine by red phosphorus. So first of all, our compound carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. Acetic acid formula CH3C double bond OH. CH3C double bond OH. Plus chlorine molecule, but 3 moles of chlorine molecule. 3 moles of chlorine molecule in the presence of red phosphorus. In the presence of red phosphorus. Red phosphorus. So very simple answer. For example, 3 hydrogen atoms. 3 hydrogen atoms and 3 into 2, 6 chlorine atoms. So 3 hydrogen atoms and addition of 3 chlorine atoms. Only 3 chlorine atoms. So byproduct is 3 moles of HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. So removal of 3 hydrogens and removal of 3 chlorine atoms. Only 3 chlorine atoms. Actually 6 chlorine atoms, but removal of only 3 chlorine atoms. So 3 hydrogen atoms and 3 chlorine atoms, 3 moles of hydrochloric acid. And remaining answer C, carbon atom. And remaining 3 chlorine atoms. First chlorine atom Cl, second chlorine atom Cl, third chlorine atom Cl, CCl3. Next C double bond OH, C double bond OH, CCl3, C double bond OH. Okay, so first carbon atom and this is second carbon atom. So finally component 2, 2, 3 chlorine atoms. So trichloro, and 2 carbon atoms, eth and carboxylic acid, oic acid. So compound name is 2, 2, trichloroethanoic acid or trichloroacetic acid. So this is HVZ reaction. Okay, HVZ, Hell-Vollard Zelensky reaction, and reagent is chlorine by red phosphorus. First of all, our compound acetic acid formula CH3, C double bond OH, and HVZ reagent is chlorine by red phosphorus, but 3 moles of chlorine, 3 into 2, 6 chlorine atoms. 3 moles of chlorine molecule and atoms are 6 chlorine atoms. So very simple, removal of 3 hydrogen atoms and removal of 3 chlorine atoms. So 3 moles of HCl. So remaining answer C. And the remaining 3 chlorine atoms 1, 2, 3, CCl3, C double bond OH, and compound name is 2, 2, trichloro, 2 carbon atoms, eth and oic acid, ethanoic acid. So 2, 2, trichloro, 1 ethanoic acid, or simply trichloroacetic acid. So this is HVZ reaction, most important reaction, and previous IP question also. Okay, next one. So HVZ reagent, chlorine by red phosphorus. Hell-Vollard Zelensky reaction. Next one, important 9th property, that is reaction with ammonia. So ammonia formula NH3. So first of all, acetic acid formula CH3, C double bond OH, plus ammonia formula NH3. So this is addition reaction. So acetic acid plus ammonia formula NH3. Addition reaction. So CH3, C double bond O, NH3 plus hydrogen, NH4. So CH3, C double bond O, NH3 plus hydrogen, NH4. And the compound name is NH4 means ammonium. And CH3, C double bond O, acetate. So compound name is ammonium acetate. So generally acetate ion charge CH3 C double bond O minus, and ammonium ion NH4 plus. So crisscross method, very simple. CH3 C double bond O NH4. Compound name is ammonium acetate. And further action of heat. So then removal of water. So for example, 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So removal of water. So removal of 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Removal of water. So remaining answer CH3 C double bond O NH2. CH3 C double bond O. CH3 C double bond O NH2. And byproduct is water. So CH3 C double bond O NH2, and compound name is very important, acetamide. CH3 C double bond O NH2. So generally amine formula bond NH2, but amide formula bond C double bond O NH2. So this is amide, C double bond O NH2. So first of all, acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH plus ammonia formula NH3. So addition reaction, very simple. CH3 C double bond O NH3 plus hydrogen NH4. And compound name is ammonium acetate. Further action of heat. So 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. Removal of water. Remaining answer CH3 C double bond O NH2. CH3 C double bond O NH2. Compound name is acetamide, and byproduct is water. For example, benzoic acid. Acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. Same benzoic acid. Benzoic acid formula very simple. C6H5 C double bond OH. So this is benzoic acid. One of the aromatic carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid, formula C6H5 C double bond OH. Same benzoic acid react with ammonia formula NH3, same addition reaction. Very simple answer. C6H5 C double bond O NH3 plus hydrogen NH4. So C6H5 right, C double bond O NH3 plus 1 hydrogen NH4. And compound name is ammonium. NH4 means ammonium benzoate. Compound name is ammonium benzoate. So generally ammonium acetate formula CH3 C double bond O NH4, and ammonium benzoate formula C6H5 C double bond O NH4. And further action of heat. That means removal of water. Very simple. 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen, and removal of water H2O. Remaining answer C6H5. Okay. Next C double bond O. Next NH2. C double bond O NH2. And byproduct is water formula H2O. So acetic acid acetamide. So benzoic acid benzamide. So compound name is benzamide. One of the amide, that is benzamide. Okay. So very important property, reaction with ammonia. Acetic acid converted into acetamide, and benzoic acid converted into benzamide. Formula C6H5 C double bond O NH2. Okay. Next one. Next one. 10th one. Dehydration of carboxylic acids. Generally dehydrating agent P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide. P2O5 is a monomer and P4O10 is a dimer. So first of all, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. So first mole acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH, and second mole acetic acid, same formula CH3 C double bond OH. So acetic acid, 2 moles of acetic acid. 2 moles of acetic acid, CH3C double bond OH, CH3C double bond OH. In the presence of P4 potent, so it is one of the dehydrating agent. So generally dehydration means removal of water. Hydration, dehydration, that means removal of water. So very simple answer, H plus ion and OH minus ion, OH minus ion. So removal of water, removal of H2O, removal of H2O. Remaining answer, CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O, 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O. So CH3 C double bond O, 2 moles taken twice. Taken twice. So first mole CH3 C double bond O, second mole CH3 C double bond O. So CH3 C double bond O taken twice, and single oxygen atom O. And byproduct is water, water formula H2O. And the compound name is acetic. Compound name is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Okay, acetic anhydride. So this is dehydration of carboxylic acid. So first of all, acetic acid, but 2 moles of acetic acid, same formula, CH3 C double bond OH, CH3 C double bond OH, H plus ion and OH minus ion, removal of water. So CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O. So taken twice, and single oxygen atom, compound name is acetic anhydride. And next one, reduction of carboxylic acids. Reduction of carboxylic acid, reduction. So very simple. For example, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond O, OH, one of the carboxylic acid. So that is acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. In the presence of reducing agent, that is lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride formula LiAlH4. Generally reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms. For example, addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. So very simple answer. Then acetic acid directly converted into alcohol. So reducing products of carboxylic acid, that is alcohols. So CH3 C double bond OH directly converted into CH3 bond CH2 bond OH, and compound name is alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol formula CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2OH. And byproduct is very simple, water molecule. Byproduct is water molecule formula H2O, water molecule formula H2O. So first of all, acetic acid, CH3C double bond OH plus 4 moles of hydrogen, and reducing agent lithium aluminium hydride. Then acetic acid directly converted to ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH, and byproduct is water. For example, 3 plus 1 plus 4, 8 hydrogen atoms. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 hydrogen atoms. Next, only 2 oxygen atoms, and 2 carbon atoms. Okay? So reducing products of carboxylic acid. That is alcohol. For example, ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. And next one, most important reaction, action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. Action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. And finally, presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. Alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids are directly converted into alkanes. Alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid directly converted into alkanes. Presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. For example, acetic acid, our compound acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH, one of the carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. So in the presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus, but 6 moles of hydrogen iodide. In the presence of red phosphorus, hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. So presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus, carboxylic acid directly converted into alkanes. For example, in acetic acid, number of carbon atoms only 2 carbon atoms. In acetic acid, number of carbon atoms are only 2 carbon atoms. First carbon atom and second carbon atom. And 2 carbon atoms alkane is ethane. Ethane formula CH3 bond CH3, and compound name is ethane. CH3 bond CH3. And byproduct very simple, water molecule formula H2O. And 6 moles of iodine, so 3 moles of I2. 3 into 2, 6 moles of iodine. So first one reduction. So generally normal reduction, general reduction or general reducing products of carboxylic acid, that is alcohol. Second one, action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. It is also reducing agent, reduction. Okay, but presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus, carboxylic acid directly converted into alkane. For example, in acetic acid, number of carbon atoms, only 2 carbon atoms, and 2 carbon atoms product is alkane, that is ethane, CH3 bond CH3. Okay, so dehydration, F is removal of water, and dehydrating agent is P4O10. Next is reduction. So reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms, and reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride. And special reaction, action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus, and presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus, carboxylic acids are converted into alkanes. So acetic acid 2 carbon atoms, so 2 carbon atoms alkane is ethane. Ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. Okay, and next one. Next one, most important reaction, and previous IP question also very important. Decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. Okay. D means removal of carbon atom in the form of carbon dioxide or sodium carbonate. And generally decarboxylating agent is soda lime. Decarboxylating agent is soda lime. And soda lime formula, the mixture of sodium hydroxide NaOH and calcium oxide CaO is called soda lime. So it is one of the decarboxylating agent. So removal of carbon atom in the form of sodium carbonate or carbon dioxide. And decarboxylating agent is soda lime formula NaOH and CaO. For example, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. So C is acetic acid, one of the carboxylic acid, acetic acid. In the presence of soda lime, generally soda lime formula NaOH and CaO. So this is soda lime. In the presence of soda lime. So it is one of the decarboxylating agent. So removal of carbon dioxide or removal of carbon in the form of carbon dioxide. So CO2. So byproduct is carbon dioxide. So remaining answer CH3 plus 1 hydrogen atom. So CH4 and compound name is methane, one of the alkane. So finally decarboxylation products of carboxylic acid, that is alkanes. Okay, so acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. In the presence of soda lime formula NaOH and CaO. So it is one of the decarboxylating agent, and decarboxylation means removal of carbon in the form of carbon dioxide CO2. And remaining answer CH3 plus 1 hydrogen CH4. Compound name is methane. For example, benzoic acid formula C6H5. So same C double bond OH. And compound name is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Same soda lime formula NaOH and CaO. A mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is called soda lime. And soda lime functions are NaOH plus CaO function. So removal of carbon dioxide. So byproduct is CO2. Remaining answer C6H5 plus 1 hydrogen. So C6H6, one of the aromatic compound, that is benzene formula C6H6. Okay. So benzoic acid formula C6H5 C double bond OH. In the presence of soda lime NaOH and CaO. Very simple removal of carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2. C6H5 plus 1 hydrogen atom C6H6. That is benzene. For example, sodium acetate formula CH3 C double bond O Na. So one of the sodium salt, that is carboxylic acid salt, that is sodium acetate CH3C double bond ONA, sodium acetate. Carboxylic acid salt, sodium acetate. So very simple, sodium acetate in the presence of soda lime. Soda lime formula NaOH and CaO. NaOH and CaO. It is one of the decarboxylating agent, and decarboxylation means removal of one carbon atom or removal of carbon atom in the form of carbon dioxide or sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. For example, Na2CO3, Na2CO3, Na2CO3. So byproduct is sodium carbonate. So Na2CO3. And remaining answer CH3 plus one hydrogen atom. So CH4, one of the alkane, that is methane. Okay. So this is decarboxylation. And decarboxylating agent is soda lime, and soda lime formula NaOH and CaO. Acetic acid, same soda lime, so removal of carbon dioxide. Benzoic acid, same soda lime, removal of carbon dioxide. Next, sodium acetate, removal of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, and the main product is alkane, that is methane. Methane formula CH4. Okay. And last and final chemical property of carboxylic acid, that is coal-based electrolysis. So next, the last and final property of carboxylic acids, coal-based electrolysis, not coal-based reaction, coal-based electrolysis or coal-based electrolysis. Coal-based electrolysis, not coal-based reaction, coal-based electrolysis. Coal-based reaction, so different. So phenol plus chloroform plus NaOH. Okay. So main product is orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid. So phenol plus NaOH, sodium phenoxide, and further sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide and H plus ion. Then phenol converted into orthohydroxybenzoic acid. That is coal-based reaction. Coal-based reaction. So this is coal-based electrolysis. Coal-based electrolysis. So coal-based reaction product is orthohydroxybenzoic acid. So reactant phenol plus sodium hydroxide NaOH. Then phenol converted into sodium phenoxide. And further sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide and H plus ion. Then sodium phenoxide converted into orthohydroxybenzoic acid. So that is salicylic acid or coal-based reaction. And this is coal-based electrolysis. Coal-based electrolysis. Okay. So first of all, very simple. Very simple. For example, CH3 bond, C double bond O, Na. So compound name is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. But 2 moles of sodium acetate. 2 moles of sodium acetate plus 2 moles of water, 2H plus and 2OH minus ion. 2 moles of water, 2H plus and 2OH minus ion. 2OH minus ion. Okay. So sodium acetate, CH3C double bond O, Na plus 2 moles of water, 2H plus and 2OH minus ion. Very simple. So 2 moles of methyl group. So CH3 bond CH3 bond CH3, one of the alkane, that is ethane. Okay. Next, 2 moles of carbon dioxide. 2 moles of carbon dioxide. So 2 moles of CO2. Okay. Next, 2 moles of sodium and 2 moles of OH minus ion. 2 moles of NaOH. 2 moles of NaOH. And then last and final 2H plus ion are converted into hydrogen gas. So this is coal-based electrolysis, not coal-based reaction. So generally coal-based reaction. In coal-based reaction. So that is phenol formula C6H5OH. In the presence of sodium hydroxide formula NaOH, and carbon dioxide and H plus ion. Then phenol directly converted into orthohydroxybenzoic acid, C double bond OH or salicylic acid. This is coal-based reaction, and this is coal-based electrolysis. Coal-based reaction and coal-based electrolysis, quite opposite. Okay, so coal-based reaction main product is orthohydroxybenzoic acid, but in coal-based electrolysis main product is alkane, that is methane formula CH3 bond CH3. So cold base reaction, phenol, NaOH, carbon dioxide and H plus N. Phenol react with sodium hydroxide, then phenol converted to sodium phenoxide, and further sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide and H plus ion. Then sodium phenoxide directly converted to orthohydroxy benzoic acid salicylic acid. That is cold base reaction. That is cold base reaction. Now this is cold base electrolysis. Cold base electrolysis. Cold base electrolysis. So first of all, sodium acetate CH3 C double bond ONA plus 2 moles of water 2H plus and 2OH minus ion. So 2 moles of methyl group CH3 bond CH3 and 2 moles of CO2 carbon dioxide and 2 moles of sodium 2 moles of OH NaOH and 2H plus and directly converted to hydrogen gas. Okay. So this is cold base electrolysis, not cold base reaction. Cold base reaction main product is orthohydroxy benzoic acid and reactants phenol plus sodium hydroxide, carbon dioxide and H plus ion. And this is cold base electrolysis and reactant is sodium acetate CH3 C double bond ONA plus 2 moles of water. Okay. So this is carboxylic acids completed. So preparation methods of carboxylic acids and properties of carboxylic acids and different types of carboxylic acids: sodium, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2. Next one, esterification, ammonia, Twigget reaction. Next, dehydration, reduction, action of hydrogen iodide, red phosphorus. And next one, very important, decarboxylation and cold base electrolysis. Cold base electrolysis, not cold base reaction. Okay. So this is cold base electrolysis and properties of carboxylic acids completed. So 12th chapter completed. It is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is completed. So different types of topics. First topic is alcohol, second topic phenol, and third topic ethers, fourth one aldehydes, fifth one ketones, and sixth one carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. So 12th chapter completed. So that is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, right.